I think this is gonna make these look a whole heck of a lot better. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this corded hedge trimmer. This thing looks pretty fancy. It was sent to us in return for our honest review. It's pretty fancy looking. Oh, can you turn that? Oh, you can turn the handle to make it more ergonomical when you hold it.
Yeah.
And be more comfortable whether you're going across or down, or oh, you could make a topiary.
I'm gonna round out these bushes.
All right, let's round out these bushes and show everybody how this thing works. Okay, so it does have a safety handle. So if it's on and you let that go, it's gonna shut off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's nice.
This thing's long.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna make some easy work of trimming up these bushes. That's really good. That's perfect cuts right there. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm gonna let you cut some bushes for a minute.
I'm gonna start hacking.
All right, you do that. That was like less than 3 minutes worth of work,
Yeah.
and they already look 10 times better.
I'm almost done.
Wow. Wow. If you guys are looking for a really easy way to trim your bushes, trim your hedges,
Yeah, I got a few more to go.
yeah, I would say we recommend this. That is pretty nice.